Okay, so spirituality is a way of life. It is not just doing meditation. So, dili lang meditation mo ay makapaingon nimo you are doing spiritual way of life. So, ang matagkaroon og niya, everything you do, you can do it in a way of spirituality. So, when you are on the path or the road to spirituality, dapat you have to include God on everything. So, tanan sa ato ang life, before you sleep, you have to praise God perhaps nga itagaan kanyang rest or inyong mata nimo. Meaning, in everything you do, naa si God. So, ang pranic healing is not inclined to any religion. So, God refers here to imuhang God, no? For me, my God is the Lord Jesus. So, I'm referring it to Him. So, when I do, like kaon ko, I pray for God's blessing, nga i-bless niya ang food. Before we do this meditation, we also ask God for a blessing. So that's one form of a spiritual way of life. When we are confused, we will ask God of the guidance. When we are like also we suffer any circumstance, we attribute it that God has willed it, no, to that thing will happen. Kaya bang, nakuan ko ron, na-late ko karon, so maybe God has something for you or nganong na-late ka karon. So, all things that happen in your life, actually, you will attribute it that it's God's will, then eventually, how can you be willing to learn from it, and eventually, as you learn from it, you can evolve around it and become a better person because of it. So everything in your life has a reason, no? Has a reason. You have to discover it on your own if you are on your spiritual path. So living on a spiritual path actually requires discipline. Dili siya like, kanang if you agree with the body will eventually make you adrift. Kaya ang body kay lain-lain mo siya, mood pud ang body. Kung ganahan ron ang body, kung nalagsik ron ang body, lagsik, makameditate ka. Kung dili lagsik ang body, so di ka makameditate. So, dili na siya mo ay spiritual way of life. Kaya ang spiritual way of life is a disciplined life. So, it's not about the body. It's about the soul. So, mabito na nga, it's about your spirit, di ba? Sa Bible, nag-ingon nga, the spirit is willing but the flesh is weak. So, kung ato nang himuan into context, yes, it's true nga ang flesh gyud weak mong gyud while ang spirit could be willing. And then, if you are on your spiritual path, dapat you have to walk or do things with the spirit, not on your flesh. Bali, karon gikakuan ka, gikapoy ka, so dili lang ka mo do. Inana, no? If kita tanan nakagi naman ta, si Lucio pa nakaten og pranic healing, so hopefully mas spiritually mature na si Lucy. Kay kuan man Lucy kanang delaying enrolling sa pranic healing, kuan na siya kanang spiritual maturity. So na-delay pa ka, so perhaps ang imong soul are still kuan ka ng connected ba sa kuan kaning Problems are connected to the body actually. It's not connected to the soul. Oh. Kaya kung when you live by the soul, actually you don't mind problems. Okay? Ang soul should be at peace. Okay? So karon balik ta sa kung majority nato si except Lucy natay gitawag og katong 5 virtues or katong mga virtues nga dapat nato i-build kung naa na ka sa imong spiritual path. So part of it is to unsa na discipline yourself, no? Labi na sa katong objectiveness, one-pointedness, and singleness of aim and effort. So naa dito sa 5 virtues nga dapat ato ang i-develop. So kanang a virtue, singleness of aim, kanya kaning objectivity kay imo ra nang ma-attend, no, through constant practice. Kanya mao ni siya anong practice ka because you are on your road to spiritual path. So others like Christians, how would they do their thing in the road to spiritual path? So magsimba sila every day. So magsimba sila every day, and then they have to be mindful of their emotions that they won't be led astray, especially daghan kayo nga mga emotions. Next ang patakaran sa Christian, doon natin gitawag og kanang 7 capital sins in which maunay dapat guide nato, like kung kanang pride, di ba, palagis man na, anger. So kana lang if para nimon pride na siya, so it's not spirituality if there is pride. In case nasuko ka karon, it's not also on the spiritual path. Kay ang kasuko dili man siya product of the soul. So you should be mindful of that. Mao na siya nga kinahanglan siya discipline. Kay every now and then masuko mo pud. Di ba? Natural, no? Dire atong basahon, you have to practice spiritual teachings and have the will to follow it. Practice and then will. Kay ko panalitan, sige ra ka practice pero wala kay will, no? Kana ba? Imuhan diri adds na. That's where your will is can be found. Will. If you will it, be it. Di ba? People on spiritual path are not anemic. They must be sharp, strong, and courageous. Di ba? Kung padong ka sa spiritual path, you are disciplined. You are not anemic. No? Dili ka luya. Sharp. Strong. Ligong ka. And courageous. Being spiritual means powerful, dynamic, and intelligent. Mao na ang kung naa ka sa spiritual path. Mao na sa requirement. You are courageous. You are strong. Sometimes the spiritual path is lonely. Mao na gamay ra ang mag-meditate. Gamay ra sad ang ganahan, no, nga mo connect. Eventually, when you meditate, actually you are connecting to God. Nya dayon your spiritual progress depends on your clarity of thought and sharpness. Ang clarity makuha ni siya ma-tainted usually if you go with the flesh. Ano bang ma-tainted siya? Kay eventually when you're on your road to spiritual path, daghan mang mga lures of the world, daghang disturbance of the world. Like ni Peter, nakakita siya ni Jesus Christ nga ni-walk sa water. Pagkakita niya, niingon siya nga, is it really you, Lord? So niingon si Jesus Christ nga, yes, can I walk to you? Niingon siya, pwede ba kumulakaw padong nimo? Yes, you may walk, ni anak si Jesus Christ. Karon nanaog si Peter sa kaning boat, Unya nagsugod na unta siya glakaw. Nagsugod na unta siya glakaw. Sa niyang naglakaw na siya, eventually nihuros ang kusog kayong hangin, inubanan sa dagko usab nga balod. Unya eventually Peter got distracted. Unya nalunod si Peter. Unya right there and there, layo pa man tato si Jesus Christ, naabot siya kalit dito, giluwas niya si Peter. Diyang gigunitan ang kamot. So karon unsa man to siya? Actually Peter was on the road to his spiritual path. Sa spiritual path is kanang nahimo ng powerful Peter ato tungod kay magkalakaw gud sa tubig. Kunya eventually there are lures, there are disturbances of the world, eventually na distraction. Pagka-distract niya, naunlod na siya. Ningon si Jesus Christ niya kanang unsa na why did you doubt? Anak siya, why did you doubt? Kay ang lures of the world can make you doubt. Muna nga, ang practice sa spirituality nga, number one, with regards to your finances, kuan, tithes. So tithes, maunay struggle halos sa tanan. Kunya, eventually, ako nang realize for there is no practice of pranic healing. Nga naman yung mga kauban ako sa sa dinhi sa ato ang spiritual community. Nga man kanang di can afford no sa mga courses nga gi-offer diri sa pranic healing. Mao di ay kay kanang ang usa nga na ako na realize because they followed tithing. So kung mutayt lang ka para sa Ginoo, everything, the Lord will just place everything else in order. Ana siya. So, ang tithe man God is putting your trust to Him. Putting your trust to Him, who in the first place own everything, even your livelihood, even your money that you earn. Kuha na ta, kanang piniyalan na ta to manage the resources, especially the financial resources that we have. So tungod ana, diha pa lang daan, padong nataka sa imong spiritual path, pero kana siya may maglisod ka og give up. That's why dako kay ang hindrance mo sa mga balod ug hangin sa imong life. So if you really kaning want to walk on the spiritual path, be spiritual. And being on spiritual, mag-tithes yun ka. Okay, that's a requirement. Na nasa Bible, no? Mabasa na, piting ka ng verses with regards to tithing. Nga, it is acknowledgement that you don't own, no? Even your life, you don't own it. God owns it. Mo nay kuan. Kung pananglitan, you are faithful to Him, He is also faithful to you. Onya, eventually, if you are doing that, no, on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, depending how you earn, eventually your income will be protected. Di ka ma-scam, di ka ma-put into wrong investment because you will be guided. Usa na sa mga kuan. Unya, dili kayo magkasakit-sakit ang imong family nga maoy usa sa mga paagi nga mahibos na imong kwarta because you are not doing the right thing. Kay tithing is doing the right thing. It's not nga you tithe because somebody needs your money. But you tithe because it's the right thing to do when you are on the spiritual path. Sa una, in the ancient times, when a person walks on a spiritual path, actually iyang i-give up ang iyang family. Like sa uban nga denominations, ang uban nga mga tinuan na gitawag nilang ashram. Sa tuwa sa Katoliko or sa Christian, gitawag nilang kumbinto. So mosuod sila dito. Unya ilang isalikway ang tanan nila nga mga properties, no? Labi na sa like diri sa tuwa sa Catholics, Doon ay mga religious nga ang ilang vow is vow of poverty. So ilang isalikway ang tanan nila nga mga ari-arian, labaw pa to sa pagsalikway sa tithes. Labaw pa to sa pag-tithes, di ba? Kay imo namang kuan gihatag tanan, no? Gihatag na tanan. Unya gi-offer na lang gyud nimo ang imong kaugalingon para sa Ginoo. In the modern times, you don't need to leave your family. You didn't need to live in the convent or in ashram, but you can, no, you can do it at your own pace, at your own house, at your own like office, like this. Unya sa una, in the ancient time, once you walk on the spiritual path, there is no turning back. There is no turning back. Nga naman, diha na jud ka forever. Kay mao na imong gipili. Like imo nang gibiyaan tanan, di na ka pwede mo balik. Kay balik mangali ka, you will be grabe ka poor. Kay nga naman imo namang gisurrender ang tanan. Unlike in the modern times, you can just do in and out, no? Karon practice of spirituality, sunod na po dili ang ma-derail lang ang imong spiritual growth. So mao na nga nung every meditation, we will affirm that we are a soul. Kaya nga naman, we have to connect our essence. Nga in the first place, we are not a body, we are not the emotion, we are not the mind, no, the intellect. And doing kanang, kung wala ka nagatides, actually, kuan ka kaning, you are behaving as your mind do. Di ba? Ay, napamukoy palito, you are thinking. But if you are walking towards a spiritual path, you have to do the right thing. Saman, tight ka, mag-meditate ka, okay? Trabaho ka, because ang work, no? Ang work is also a spiritual kanang path. But in the work also, kinahanglan tarong ka, di ka malate, kinahanglan nga nitrabaho ka, all through and through ka nagligoy-ligoy. Because it's also a spiritual path, a spiritual discipline. Why God created the family? Because ang family mismo is the primary school for spirituality. Diba? Ang lisod nimo higugmaon ang imuhang mga parente. Mao na nganong ang Ginoo naghimo siya og family because it will be your primary school towards spirituality, towards the spiritual path. So mao na nga sometimes or most of the time, kita mga parente nga you don't like, it requires prayer. Meaning, you need to pray, maybe you forgot to pray for that person. That's why behave siya ginana and then it irritated you, it offended you because God is telling you to pray for that person. Or there might be same character or same negative behavior of that person because kaliwat man mo nga ni-reflect lang diya, ni-manifest lang siya. Di ba? Sometimes or most of the time, people are just mirrors of us, especially our parente. Anong inaanim na parente? Ba sige inaani sa ko deep inside? Yeah, then I hate myself because of that. Okay, so the standard for a person, a spiritual path is high. No? Taas ang standard. Okay? Like, busy na kay yes, pero you can still meditate. Di ba? Busy na kay yes, but you still have the time for this. Busy na kay yes, despite anang kabisi nimo, you can still place all things in order. Di ba? After all, we are just pilgrims on this earth. Di ba? What cannot be done by ordinary people can be done by you. Trust in Him, and eventually, all things will be possible. You have to be courageous on the spiritual path. No? Courageous juga, and then you have to trust. Essential na siya. Being courageous without trust in God, ang imuha ra imong gisaligan, dili siya magsilbi. Because you alone is not sufficient. God is. God is sufficient, not you. Monang, you need to anchor and depend on God because He is sufficient. Unya, what has more lasting value mo na dapat nimo ipangutanan? Is it our money? Is it our cars, our houses, offices, careers? Is it lasting? Or your soul? Manay pangutana. A vacation or a spiritual energy and teaching. Like you spend your money on a vacation or a spiritual teaching. Mana dia ang matter. If you're walking on a spiritual path, ang vacation is just for the body. A spiritual teaching or kanang getting the energy, no? Spiritual energy is for the soul. So it's a choice. Kung kini ang buhaton sa mga tao, regardless of religion, actually, people and even their own religion will be transformed. Muna ang page 1 para sa ato ang creative transformation, the Golden Lotus Sutra on spiritual practice. Okay? Daghang salamat. I hope you learned something sa ato ang little discussion today.
Thank you, Sir Marl.
God bless. Amping tanan. May God be praised.
Bye, Fred. Amping.
Nakurot ang di ko, friend, sometimes nag-check ka, sister.
Ay, nako. Stop